In this video, I'm going to show you a complete guide about VideoGen AI. So first of all, what is VideoGen AI? VideoGen AI is an AI video creation tool that basically turns text into videos. So it's not a replacement for cinematic editing, or it's not ideal for high emotion storytelling or just one-click viral machine. So think of it as a speed tool, not a creative shortcut. So the first thing, you can just go and type VideoGen as an example. So VideoGen AI in any browser, and you can click on the first link. As you can see, make sure to ignore sponsor result. So once you do so, make sure to log in into your accounts or create an account. You can use that using Google. To do so, you'll find yourself here once you do so, and here you'll be able to invite your teammates, refer and earn, create presets, and or create a new video. But you'll be on the free plan per default. You'll be able to upgrade into Pro or Business, or can tag them for Enterprise. This is the prices for yearly and monthly. If you want to pay yearly, of course, they'll give you some discounts. And the features for free plan, as you can see, the features, it's not that much. Oh, they don't even like show here the features. I thought it was the free one here. So anyway, the free doesn't have a lot of features. So if you want to use it, you would better have a better plan. But anyway, right here, once you logged in, as I say, you can go and create your new video. Of course, you can even refer other people and earn from that. If you want to, you'll earn 30% commissions for life. For every customer you offer, bring passive income forever. So yeah, let's just go and start making an example of video to show you how to do it. So you can first of all choose whether you want it to be square, like for Instagram, stuff like that, portrait, for phone, or landscape. So you can script an idea, which starts with an idea. AI researches, writes scripts, narrates and stuff. You can record yourself, your screen, or both. And you can upload something from your PC. You can prompt an AI clip, or you can start from blank projects, or you can script and storyboard. So totally up to you to use whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to choose first of all portrait, example for a phone. And yeah, let's say I'm just going to start with a blank project. So here they'll show you like where to add sections, where's the timeline and stuff. So if you've never touched any editing tool or something like that, this will help you, as an example, understand a lot of things or some basic things which are useful. So here you can start by adding, as an example, a section. So I'm just going to use some of the template that they have. Of course, you can start something like basic. Here you can choose to add a voiceover and a media. So for media, I'm just going to choose here some for the free stock that they have. So I don't know, I'm just going to choose like nature. I just want some random stuff. This one, that's good. So here for voiceover, you can upload something, but it will require you to have the Pro. And if you want AI avatar, it will require you to have the business plan. And here you have text to speech, where you can choose or change the voice however you want, depending on the accent and language. So you'll find here a lot of voices. If you like, as example, some specific voice, you'll be able to choose it. You can click on this play button to hear the voice. If you like it, you can use it. For example, maybe this one. I'm going to use this one or this one. You have a lot of options here. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah. So here, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to type hello, how are you doing, as example. I hope you are good. Goodbye. As simple as that. So a quick like script. Of course, you can click on generate speech once you've done, and it will generate the voice right here. You'll be able to click and hear how does it sound like. You will be able to make, as example, some splits to cut the video at some points. You'll be able to add other sections. You'll be able to do a lot of other media things, but this is basically about editing. So what can you do is basically add text, add some actions, as example. So add some auto resize, translation projects, add some logos. But as you can see, most of these things requires a pro plan. You can add captions. Captions will be added per default. You can remove them or change, as example, how the caption looks like. And you can see, as example, here slides. You can, as I said, add text, add media, and yeah. So that's basically how to use this website. You can just add the scripts. It will change it into a voice. You can add, an example, your media, whether upload this from your PC or choose some of the things that they have. And here you are. You'll basically have to start editing until you make the good video that you want. Once you're done, you can go here and click on share as example. You'll be able to share as copy, download it if you want to download it right now. Create a public view link as example. If you click on that, and you'll be able to explore the video or export the video in 4K, 180p, 720 or 480. So other than that, you have some recent exports. If you use any recent exports, here you'll find them very quickly. Here you'll be able to manage access. As example, maybe invite some of your friends to see the preview before downloading it, because if you're on the free plan, it might be a little bit difficult. So as example, just try here, download this. You can choose the visibility public or private one. I'm just going to keep it public and click on export the video. As you can see, when I click export the video, you will need a pro plan to do so. So you basically cannot do it. You can try to do some workarounds, recording your screen, cutting your screen and stuff like that, but the video quality will be lowered for sure. So yeah, that's basically about this website. You can come here, create your videos, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.